press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today just I am continuing my previous class. Okay children, what we have discussed in our previous class? Just exercise 3.1. How to get average. That means arithmetic means from a given information. Just sixth question. Today I am moving to the sixth question. The marks out of 100. Here in this question, the marks of a particular student out of 100 they are giving obtained by a group of students in a science or in a science test or 85 each student in a group science subject. Science marks they are giving. How in first question they have given the UT marks of a maths 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75 and 75. Find the okay. Here what the marks of science out of 100 what the marks they have given 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81. Okay. The given information they are giving like that. Just you have to write the given. Given the marks of out of 100 out of 100 of each student in a group in a science test of a science test or 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75 and 75. Correct children? Okay, what they are giving? They are giving the questions like this. Highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. Highest and lowest marks. Highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. Highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. Highest mark ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81, 75. Highest marks is this one, correct. 95 is the bigger one in all and the 39 will be the smaller one, correct. Highest 95 and lowest 39 and lowest 39. And then second question, range of marks obtained. Range of marks obtained range of marks obtained. Range means we are all know what is the formula for range. Range is nothing but the difference between the highest value minus lowest value. The difference between highest value and lowest value is known as range. Here we have to write the range as range equals to highest marks minus lowest marks. Highest marks minus lowest marks. What is the highest marks? 95. 95 minus lowest mark is 39. Okay, here 10 minus 9, 6. 8 minus 3, 5. 56 is the range of the given student's marks in science. 56 is the range of the given student marks in science. And the next question, mean marks obtained by the group. Mean marks means mean andre ಏನು? What is mean? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Mean anna am anna onde. What is the formula? Sum of the total marks, sum of the observations divided by total number of observations alla. That's why I wrote here sum of the total marks of group of students divided by total number of students in a group, divided by total number of students in a group. Total number of students in a group. Okay, sum of all observation andre we have to add all these. 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75 plus 75. Total number of students in a group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is to 10 members. If you add this all andre, then you will get 85 plus 76. 11. 161. 161 plus 90. 251. 251 plus 85. All if you do andre, you will get 730 divided by 10. 0, 0. What you will get? 73. 73 is mean of these observations. 73 is mean of these observations. That means the marks obtained in the science in the each student in a group of 10. Okay, just move on to the next question. 7th question. Seventh question, the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as consecutive years was as follows. Was as follows. 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540 and 2820. What we have to find? Find the mean enrollment of a school for this period. I have to find the enrollment of the school. Find mean enrollment of the school for this period. Okay, here they are giving what is the question. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. What is that? Andre on the school alli enrollment of the children number they are giving, that is 1555, 1670, 1750, 2030, 2540 and 2820. Find mean enrollment of the school for this period. Okay, just we have to take the mean. Mean means average. Average andre enu? Arithmetic mean. What is the mean? Arithmetic mean. Given solution, given enrollment, the enrollment in a school in 6 consecutive years is given. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years as follows. Years is 1555, 1670, 1750, 2030, 2540 and 2820 and 2820. Just arithmetic mean andre enu? Mean of the given andre arithmetic mean. AM arithmetic mean can be written as AM or mean or arithmetic mean or average of the given information. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? Sum of all observations, sum of all observations, sum of all observations, sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Sum of all observations means 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 divided by number of observations there 1 2 3 4 5 6 correct. If you add these all andre then we will get 1 2 3 4 8 divided by 8. Okay, if you have any doubt just add. You first add and you have to add and keep the answer. 1s are 2s are 0 5 48 means 6 8s are 40. What is mean of this observation? 2058. Just move on to the next question, children. Eighth question. The rainfall in mm, that means millimeter, in a city on 7 days of certain week was recorded as follows. Was recorded as follows. As recorded as follows. Day rainfall in mm. Rainfall in mm. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 0.0 mm Monday, 0.0 mm Tuesday, 12.2 Wednesday, 2.1 Thursday, 0.0 Friday, 20.5 Saturday, 5.5 Sunday, 1.0 Sunday, 1.0. Here the rainfall of a city in 7 days, they are given through a table. Here the rainfall of a city in a 7 days is given through a table. Below these ones, just they are giving some questions. Find the range of the rainfall. Find the range of a rainfall in above data. For above data also you can write. Here, see here, range means, what is range? The difference between highest value and lowest value. The difference between highest value and lowest value. What is the highest value in these rainfall in mm? 0.0, 12.2, 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5, 1.0. What is the highest one? 20.5. Highest one is 20.5 minus lowest one is 0.0. 20.5 minus 0.0, 20.5. The range of therefore the range of a rainfall for above data is 20.5 mm. Units you have to write. And then second question is, find the mean of the rainfall in that week. Find the mean of rainfall in that week. Find the mean. Mean andre ಏನು? Mean andre ಏನು? Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Total number of observations. Okay, sum is 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0 divided by 7. How many observations are there? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations. 0.0 plus 12.2, 12.2, 12.2 plus 2.1, 14.3, 14.3 plus 0.0, 14.3, 14.3 plus 20.5, 34.8, 34.8 plus 5.5, 34.8 plus 6.5, 41.3 by 7. Ones are 35. 5.9 5.9 is the mean. 5.9 is the mean of the rainfall given above. Next question is, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? What is the mean? 5.9. What they are asking? How many days, on how many days the mean of rainfall is less, the rainfall is less than the mean of rainfall. Okay, what is the mean? 5.9 mm. 5.9 mm, which were ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು 5.11 ಗಿನ 5.9 ಗಿನ ಕೆಳಗಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ. This is lower, this is lower, this is lower, and this is lower, and this is lower. Except Tuesday and Friday, all are lower. Except Tuesday and Wednesday, all are below the mean of rainfall. All are below the mean of rainfall. On Monday, Wednesday, 2.1, Thursday, 0.0, Saturday, 5.5, Sunday, 1.0. In these days, the mean of rainfall, the rainfall is less than the mean of rainfall, less than the mean of rainfall, less than the mean of rainfall. In these 5 days, the mean of rainfall is less than the, in these 5 days, the rainfall is less than the mean of rainfall. Okay children, next move on to the next question, 9th question. Ninth question, the heights of ten girls were measured in centimeters, and the result as follows, and the result as follows, and the result as follows. 135, 150 centimeters, 139 centimeters, 128 centimeters, 151 centimeters, 132 centimeters, 146 centimeters, 149 centimeters, 143 centimeters, 141 centimeters. How many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children, 10 girls height in centimeters they have been given. By seeing this data we have to answer. First question, what is first question means? What is the height of the tallest girl? Which one is the highest one? 135, 150, 130. Which one will be the highest one? Correct children. 151. 151 centimeter is the highest one. Next question. What is the height of the shortest girl? What is the height of the shortest girl? That means we have to glance the smallest number here. Which one? See here 135, 150, 128, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. This one will be the smallest. 128 centimeter is the height of shorter girl. What is the range of a data? What is range of a data? Range andre enu? Range is equals to highest height value minus lowest height value. What is highest height? 151 minus 128. What you will get? 23. 23 is the range of a data given above that is. And next question. What is the mean height of the girls? What is the mean height of the girls? That means we have to take mean. Mean andre enu? Arithmetic mean, that is average. What is the formula for average? What is the formula for average? Mean is equals to sum of all children height, all girls height divided by 10. Sorry. Total number of girls. Total number of girls. Total number of girls. Sum of all girls height. If you take the sum for all girls andre, we will get 1440. Check that one. Divided by 10. What you will get? 141.14 centimeter is mean of the given data. And then fifth question what they are asking? How many children are having more height than the mean? How many children are having more than, what is the mean height? 141.4 centimeters. What they are asking? How many children are having mean height more than, height more than the mean height for 141.4 centimeters. This is not more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls are having the mean weight height more than mean of the given data. Okay, first now question ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ each question ಗೆ highest, height, lowest and range. Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Highest value minus lowest value, that only we applied. And the mean ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Sum of the observations divided by total number of observation. According to this constraint, just we converted it as sum of all girls height by heights ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Heights divided by total number of girls. That we did. And number of fifth question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? How many girls are having the height more than the mean? ಎಷ್ಟು girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls are having the height more than the mean of the given data, more than the mean of the given data. Okay children, I hope you are all understood, and then if you have any doubts, just rewind the video and you can get the answer. Okay, thank you children.